Slow down. He's natural.
Oh, I thought he was dicking himself.
All right. Slow down, slow down, slow down. All right. Greg, this is the first time you ever rode something. You think that I'm just going to let you... Yeah, good call on that one. That's a good call on that one. Gregory,
What?
you got a helmet on, right?
Yeah.
What's gonna happen when you fall off? Exactly. Don't go trying to be cool and gunning it, Greg. You never rode one of these before. I want you to be extremely careful. Mm-hmm.
I think I'm just too heavy for it. That's why I died out.
Easy. That one was flying on that thing. You scared me a little bit.
Yeah, big ass grin on his face. What a big ass grin.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to get him knee pads, shoulder pads.
You got shoulder pads upstairs. And a football helmet.
I might as well just put him in a football gear.
You see Gregory? I'm down.
Huh?
I'm down.
Now you put the choke up for him?
Well, no, I had it on half.
Oh. Tell her to what? You didn't get to ride the dirt bike.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
I was just on it.
No, you weren't.
Yes, I
Uh-uh.
was. Uh-huh.
Not when Mommy asked you, you weren't.
Okay. Can I tell Edward?
Get out of here. Go. Have fun. Love you, kid.
Can I tell him?
I don't care. Love you.